Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. This is Christmas card series number 2. I'm going to show you the stamp sets and die set that I will be using for the cards today. The first one is the Memory Box Typewriter Holiday Elements stamp set and Doodlebug Night Before Christmas stamp set. I also use GINA Designs FRILLY nested rectangles. I already have my images mounted on the lid of my Misti. I'm going to ink them up with Versafine Onyx black ink. And the paper I'm using here is Canson XL watercolor paper. And I repeated stamping them to get good impression. I went ahead and colored my images off camera with Zig Markers and also used my sparkle pop pens to add some accent to the images, and I did color this one's a very simple coloring. I also die cut my ivory cardstock using the smallest frilly lace die and fussy cut my images. I already arranged my colored images on the die cut cardstock, and now I'm just going to adhere them with art glitter glue. For the sentiments, I'm going to use the sentiments from the Night Before Christmas stamp set, and I'll just stamp them on the cardstock using Kaleidocolor Tomato Vine ink. After the panels are done, we're gonna move on to the background. I have my large stamp here, and I'm just going to stamp that background on my card base, and I'm stamping it with Versafine Onyx black ink. And I'm using different colors of card base here. Now it's time to adhere our panels on the card base. I use foam tape to adhere my panels so they have a little bit of dimension. For the sentiment inside the card, I use paper tree ink tucked in holiday stamp set. Again, I'm going to just ink that up with Versafine Onyx black ink and add it inside the card. I also used the extra images that I didn't use in front of the card on 2 of the cards. And here are my completed cards. These ones are super cute. I love the stamp background on the card bases. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.